Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all of you out in the world. I am back. It's Kamishra from Kamishra's Corner. Thank you for joining me. I wanted to talk about something because I mentioned it in my last video. It's about this right here. Okay, what is this? I showed it in my last video. It's my cleanser. It's a cleanser that I made. I'm going to tell you what it's about. I just want you to listen to something first.
Popular cleaning product that may be infected with bacteria. Colgate-Palmolive has recalled nearly 5 million bottles of Fabuloso multi-purpose cleaner. The bottles were sold at major retailers, including Amazon, Walmart, and Home Depot.
So it's a popular cleanser. Now this is a report that came out, I believe last year actually. I'm not exactly sure when it came out. But how many of you out there use that brand of cleanser, household cleanser? It came with a bacteria that they put in it that's supposed to help, but it wasn't helping. And I don't, it's weird. I'd have to, I don't know the name of it. It's some name that I cannot pronounce, but they purposefully put it in there. But I think what they put in there was supposed to be helpful, but it wasn't. It ended up doing harm. So if you're interested in wanting to know more about what that's about, look it up. I'm not doing that research. But I really wanted to come on here. Just, if you can make your own household cleanser, which you can, you should. Because of things like that. You know, in commercial of anything, the biggest thing that they go for is profit. The money that they can make off of the products that they sell, which, I mean, that's a business. That's what we live in. We live in a capitalist society. In capitalist societies, they look to make money off of, dollars off of the products that they sell, the service that they sell, whatever they're doing. But sometimes it turns out to be to your detriment. And making your own household cleanser is so simple. It's so easy. And some of you, if we just came through the pandemic and people were making their own stuff. They were making their own sanitizers. You could kind of work off the back of that and make your own household cleanser. And that's what this was. When I was cleaning my shelves off and cleaning my tables and all that other stuff, I was using now it's just a regular water bottle. I was using my own cleanser. And what did I put in here? It smells great because I put my own essential oils in it. And it does the job. And I know for sure it's not going to be anything in it that's going to cause me any problems. I mean, this literally was making people sick. I mean, really, really sick. Some kind of bacteria. They showed I saw a video of one girl like seizing, shaking. It was crazy. And I actually thought it was fake. I don't think it was fake though. Because I saw a thing from Good Morning America. So I don't think it was fake. But I just wanted to talk about how to make your own cleanser. So for all you DIYers out there and for all you people that don't want to have to deal with situations like that happens from time to time, because every time I turn around, there's a recall. There's a recall on food. There's a recall on detergents. There's a recall on some. So whatever you can make yourself, I urge you to make it yourself. Take time, use your own two hands, and make it yourself. What did I do to make this cleanser? Very simple, very easy. I started off with my own soap, because I make my own soap, liquid soap. So I had a liquid soap that I use. I just made it from simple coconut oil. You don't have to create no, try to figure out a formula to make, because it's for cleansing. So one oil that makes good cleansing bars of soap and good cleansing liquid soap. You can use it to clean around your house. You can use it as detergent for your clothing. Just use coconut oil. Plain old coconut oil. Make your coconut oil soap. Make the liquid soap, not the bar. And then jar it up. You put it in a jar, add some water, and, big ingredient, add alcohol. You can use 92% alcohol, but I use Everclear. I use Everclear or grain alcohol. It's a very, very strong alcohol, which kills germs. Okay, so you use some alcohol. I think it's 98 proof. It's like a really high proof grain alcohol. Add a little bit of water to it, and I add my soap, and then I add essential oils, like essential oils that are good for, like that has a good antibacterial, antifungal properties, like nutmeg oil, lavender, peppermints are good. I use clove. This one has clove oil. What else did I put in here? I almost forgot. I use something. Oh, I think I use a little lemongrass for the scent. You know, I gotta spray it and smell it. I can't. Oh no, I use spearmint. I had to spray it so I can smell it. I use clove and spearmint in this. Spearmint more so for the scent, and clove for the scent and, you know, the properties that clove oil brings. And, you know, you can put some nutmeg essential oil. You can put lavender essential oil. You can put peppermint. Any essential oil that you like. But you can also look for the ones that have antifungal, antibacterial properties in it. Tea tree. And that with the alcohol and the actual soap that you put in it is enough to clean your entire house. It's an all-purpose cleaner. So I made my own all-purpose cleaner. I have enough soap left over to wash my clothes, to use as a body wash if I want to use it, as a shampoo if I want, because it's a natural handmade soap. I made it myself. Make your own it's so easy. It's so simple. It's so easy. During the pandemic, everybody was making hand sanitizer. It's similar to like making a hand sanitizer, but just add some soap to it, you know, and don't make it like a gel. Just, you know, you can make it like a spray. You know, high grain alcohol, 91%. I'm smiling because I hear knocking on my door. I think it's my grandbaby. Who is it? Who is it? I'm filming, so I'm not gonna open the door. But I can hear her knocking on the door. She's not even one yet. So she gets up in the morning and I hear her crawling on the phone. All you hear is, that's her hands plopping on the floor. And then I guess she hears me talking back here. So she's knocking on the door. She's banging and I can hear her, da, 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 da. I'm sorry. I have a grandbaby and I'm a little grandbaby crazy because that's what we do when we become grandmas. We get grandbaby crazy. But anyway, back to this. You can make your own cleanser. This is not going to be a long video. I'm not selling this cleanser, but I will, in the description below, I'll tell you what's in it. And you can just experiment. You can make your own cleanser. But if you're looking to buy other handmade products like lotions, creams, or soaps, liquid or bar soaps, you go, click on my website in the description box below, and you can check it out and you can make a purchase if you want to. But leave me a comment. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video with somebody, and make your own cleanser. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.